Good morning, you guys. This is our weekly chit chat slash vlog. I decided to do a vlog this time instead of just a chit chat because I thought it'd be a little bit more fun. You guys seem to really like the last one. So I'm gonna kind of just show you my day today. It is Monday, October 1st, and I'm so excited because I love October. It's my favorite month of the year. My birthday is at the end of October and Halloween, and I love all things kind of like spooky and just fall. I just love it so much. So I'm in a great mood today. It's 7:45. And I got up this morning, we did our workout because we're doing the Tone It Up 31-day fall challenge. I think that's what it's called, 31-day fall challenge, I think. So for 31 days, we're following their workout plan and their eating meal plan. And we've done the bikini series already earlier this year. And it was an 8-week one from like May to July and loved it. And we kind of kept doing a lot of the same stuff. Our eating got a little bit like off the wagon, but we kept it up a little bit, and we did keep going with the workouts the last couple months. So it's nothing like too new, but it's exciting to be doing another challenge again because I love it so much. And I love the workout videos. They're so easy. I don't like going to the gym. I like doing like home workout videos a lot better. So we just kind of do those here in the living room in the morning. And I had my breakfast, had some avocado toast and the Meta D. If you follow their plan, they have you drinking like Meta D in the morning, every morning, which is like a little bit of apple juice, some water, and some apple cider vinegar, and some like cinnamon, I think too, and cayenne. But we kind of leave out the cinnamon and cayenne most days, just because I don't really like it. And I feel like the apple cider vinegar is the one thing I think is really important because it is really good for you, supposed to be. But yeah, so I'm heading to work now at 7:45. I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna pack up all my stuff and we're gonna head out to the office. Okay, so I'm at the office now. It's actually like 8:30, a little bit after 8:30, but I've been here. We went and checked the mail because I had my like ink and everything I needed for my printer to start printing again. So I have my printers going, and I've just been planning out my week in my planner. I showed you guys this in one of the chit chat videos. Every morning when I come to the office, I like to sit down and kind of plan out my day for sure. Sometimes I'll do like an overview of the week, but typically it's mostly just the day of and like things I want to accomplish, my top 3 goals for the day that I need to get done, and I really just like I want to get those items done and just kind of map myself out some time. So that way I can stay focused all day and really get the most of my time and not just kind of like waste time and dilly-dally because I don't really know what I'm doing, you know? So today's agenda is I want to get back to some emails. I need to check my Etsy messages, but I don't think I have any. And I know there's at least one email I need to get back to. And then I'm filming the vlog. I'm printing some more of the Christmas kits from the prior release. I was hoping, I mean, it was honestly such a big release day. Like, you guys loved those kits, so I'm so happy about that, but it's taking a little bit longer. My arm's getting tired. I'm still within the quoted processing time for sure, but it'll be 2 weeks on this Friday. So I'm hoping to have them all out before the 2-week mark, even though that is the end of the processing time that I put up. But I really want to get those done as quickly as possible because I just want to get those orders out. So I'm working on cutting some more of that stuff today and collating those kits, what I do have, and working on designing more stuff for this week that's going up. So this Friday we have all of our December monthly items are going up, our notes kits are going up, all that kind of stuff. And what else? Oh, I think I'm going to be listing all that overstock I showed you guys in my last video. I think that was last chit chat, maybe the chit chat before last. I can't remember. All the overstock I have from the seasonal kits, the seasonal subscription, not subscription, I always call it that, the seasonal kits. All of that overstock, like different notepads I have from that, and patches, and just extra overstock sticker kits, all of that I believe will be going up this Friday. I have that on my calendar right now. I'm hoping I can get it all photographed in time, but I'm gonna say Friday. So I will let you know if that changes, but otherwise that will all be up Friday. My arm is killing me because I did arms today for our Tone It Up workout. It was the like arms and back and chest or something, and oh my gosh, they're tired. So I'm gonna get to work over there. I got all of my silhouettes and I'm just gonna watch some shows while I cut stickers for the next like couple hours, probably until I'll probably check in with you guys in like an hour and a half when I have my morning snack. I usually have a snack around like 9:30, 10 just because I get hungry, and that's actually part of the plan anyway, so it works out well for me. So I'll check in with you guys then, I think, show you guys my snack. And then after that, I'm probably just keep cutting it until lunchtime, and then kind of reevaluate, like to reevaluate halfway through the day and kind of make sure I'm hitting all of the targets that I want to get done and on track to get done the things that I needed to get done, like the things for my top 3 priorities, and just kind of go from there. That's kind of what ends up happening when you have your own business. I'm sure it's that way for a lot of jobs, but I've always kind of done my own thing, like freelance stuff, and like everything was all just stuff I had to plan out myself. So I am very used to having to manage my time correctly and on my own, because I don't have a boss to tell me what to do and when to get it done by, you know what I mean? That is myself. I tell myself. So that is it for so far, and I guess I'll check in with you guys when I take my next break, and I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so it might be a little loud because I still have some more machines going, but I just got done quite a large stack. It's now 9:30 and it's time for a snack. I just filmed this whole clip and realized I wasn't actually filming. Good work, everybody. So I'm having my snack, which is a Greek yogurt. This is the coconut cream flavor from Trader Joe's, which I love, but it has a lot of sugar in it. So it's definitely not something I do every day, but I just love this flavor so much. I love coconut, pretty much everything. And then to go in it, I have some cacao nibs, which if you have not had these before, they're kind of, I don't know, they're considered a superfood. But they are like unprocessed cocoa beans. So like they're just a bunch of cocoa beans that are like ground up. So they're supposed to be really good for you. I like them though. I like putting them in things. They have a little bit of crunch and they kind of taste a little chocolatey. So that is my snack. Okay, so I'm checking in. It's now noon and I finished cutting a bunch of stickers. I have a huge stack here that I was working on, and I finished cutting I think all the full kits now at this point from all the Christmas release, so that's good. Now I have the ultimate sheets and the mini kits, so that should be a lot quicker. But I'm gonna take a lunch break now and I'll show you guys what I'm having for lunch. So for lunch I made this salad, if I get it open. This is from the toned up plan thing that I was telling you guys about that I'm doing. And it has like cabbage and carrots, and we made some quinoa as our protein, cucumbers, and I'm gonna add some avocado. And then here's the dressing. I don't know if I can really show it very well. How do I show this? Well, I made some dressing that has mustard and olive oil, and it's like whole grain mustard, olive oil, I think a little bit of maple syrup, and I think that's everything. Maybe some seasoning. And so I'm just gonna have some lunch. Okay guys, so it's 2 o'clock. I'm looking a little bit disheveled, but I want to show you guys an update on what I've been working on. I'll show you guys, it's back over there. I've been just chopping the pages, so I'll show you guys what I mean. So I use one of these like large like paper guillotine things to chop the edges of the paper because it's a lot faster than cutting them on the silhouette, like so much faster. So I just cut all the insides on all my silhouettes. I have 7 of them, I believe. 7, 8, and maybe less than that, 5, 6, I don't know. Anyways, so I cut the inside on there, and then I chop off the outsides in the stacks. So this is just how I like to do it because I think it's just so much faster. I switched to this method like maybe a year ago, and it is sped things up by like 2 or 3 times as fast, and it is so much faster. I'll never go back to cutting them on an actual silhouette again, like the outside squares, because it's just not worth it. So what I do is I have these faint lines that I put in, gray lines that were outside the actual sides of the sheets on silhouette, if that makes sense. And then I know to cut right inside those gray lines. So I line it up myself. Like, it's kind of a difficult process to explain. I feel like it's something you just kind of have to like do. I've been doing it for so long. I just know exactly where to eyeball it and how to make sure it's straight and everything. But yeah, so I'm doing that. And I've got done quite a bit already. I got done this and then a few more stacks over on the table. And I'm also watching the Jenna and Julian podcast, which is like one of my favorite to watch like once a week because it's long and it's nice to like cut stickers to like long videos. I got my water, and yeah, so I'm just working on this. I only have like a little bit left, and then I have these other ones left, and then I will be going back to my silhouettes and cutting more like ultimate sheets. I think I'll have all the full kits done and start moving on to cutting ultimate sheets and collating kits. So that's just kind of a little update. It's, yeah, like I said, I think it's like 2 o'clock, so I still have a couple 2.5 more hours left, so let's get some stuff done. Hey guys, so it is 2:30 and I'm taking a little bit of a break. I finished chopping all of the kits, and I'm sorry I'm like a little bit low out of the screen. I don't I had to like prop it up on boxes. But anyways, I'm having my snack before I get back into cutting the ultimate sheets. I think all I have left now are the ultimate sheets and the mini kits, which I still have to print, but I'm finishing up printing the ultimate sheets now. And I'm having my snack, and it's these pumpkin muffins we made as part of the plan. And I haven't tried them yet, but they're pretty good. Yeah, they're alright. Kind of whatever, but I did want to show you guys. I got a package today at the office, and I've been waiting for this one for a while. I was so excited to get it. And it is, I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's been all over, I feel like all over Instagram and stuff lately. My hair is crazy. And it's the Spanx leggings. They came out with leggings a while back, and they're really nice because I have a few pairs. I'm wearing a pair today, and they come in like, I have 3 pairs of them. I have the faux leather ones, like just the plain faux leather, which I'm wearing today. I'll show you guys if you guys can see. Maybe, can you see? They're just, you can't really. They're faux leather leggings. And then I also have a pair that's like the Moto faux leather ones, and I love those too. And then I have just a plain pair of just black, like seamless leggings from them. And so I just ordered these ones, which their packaging is pretty cute. I really like their leggings. They're not super crazy comfortable because they're Spanx, but they do look really cute. And they're like, I consider them as comfortable as like jeans or something, like around your waistline, and then they feel like jeggings the rest of the way. They're a little snug, but I like them. I don't know, they feel nice. So I got a pair that are the black camo ones, and normally I'm not a fan of camo. It's just not my thing. We're in Southern California. People do wear camo here, but I've been really into the camo trend lately I've seen going around, and I thought that black camo would look so cute in comparison to like the green kind of camo. So these are really cute. So they stretch a lot because they look tiny, but they're actually super cute. I thought these would be adorable with like a white t-shirt and like jean jacket even, or just another cute kind of like jacket or top, and like a white tee, or like, I don't know, just like a basic tee. They're actually really stretchy. I feel like they're more stretchy and more comfortable and like softer than any of my other pairs, which is interesting. I got them in a size small, which is a little snug, I will say, but it's probably because it's like a 2 to 4 and I'm usually a 4, but medium is 6 to 8, so I thought a medium might be a little bit too big on me, but they stretch a lot. So but yeah, I thought they're so cute. They're so soft. I highly recommend them. They are pricey, but sometimes they have coupons on their website, and if you do Ebates, I definitely do Ebates. They usually have Ebates, I believe, as well. So yeah, so that's my purchase. I'm so excited. I love them. I think they're gonna be so cute for fall and winter, and they'd be cute with just like a comfy like hoodie, like pullover hoodie. I've been so into those. I have a ton of them and I'm loving them. I just think they'd be adorable with a lot of stuff and really comfortable, and some like cute boots and like booties. I am all about it. So I'm just gonna finish eating my muffins and then get back to work. I'm gonna keep cutting ultimate sheets. Like I said, it's 2:30, so not long since I last checked in. About 2 hours before I go home. So I'm going to try to get as much done as possible, cut as many ultimate sheets as possible, and I think that's where I'm going to end today. Hopefully, what would be ideal is I'll be able to cut all of the ultimate sheets and then also be able to chop them all as well today on the paper guillotine thing. But that's probably not going to happen, so we're going to try to be realistic with ourselves. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to get up to next. And I also really want to get done like designing a lot of stuff, because I was going to have to do tonight. So I'm hoping I can like maybe, as I'm cutting them, design in between while I'm waiting for them to finish up, which isn't very long, so we'll see what happens. But I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so I just got home. It is 4:30. I realized I hadn't updated you guys since we were at work. But let's see, what did I finish? I almost finished all of the ultimate sheets, cutting those. I think I have like 1 left, which is out of like 4, which is really good. So I have that, and then I have the mini kits I wasn't able to get done, but they were printing. I left them printing when I left. And yeah, so I'm home now, which is great, but I'm going to be working on a newsletter tonight and some like graphics for a sale tomorrow. I'm doing a flash sale for tomorrow, Tuesday only. So you guys, maybe you probably, ow, my knee, sorry. I'm just sitting down because my arm is really tired. I don't know if you guys will see this in time before that sale ends. So if not, I'm sorry, but hopefully you guys caught it. I'll also have it on my Instagram. It's just a quick flash sale just because I haven't had one of those in a while. And also, you guys probably would have seen by now, I announced it today. Well, today everyone announced it. We were allowed to announce it, that I'm part of the Ultimate Planner sale, which will be happening October 12th, 11th, 12th, somewhere around there. I think it's a Friday through Sunday. And I'm really excited. I have not done that sale before. I've only done one other sale before, the Planner Boss Collective. Yeah, PBC sale. That's the first sale I ever was in, and that was earlier this spring. And I had a lot of fun, so I thought I'd do another group sale and try it out and see how it goes. So we're trying the Ultimate Planner sale this time, and there's a lot of really great shops in it, so definitely be sure to check it out. They have an Instagram and Facebook group, my arm, and a website too. So definitely be sure to check them out because I'll be participating in that sale, and I'm so excited. There's a lot of great shops also participating. And then what else? So I'm home now, so I'm gonna work on the newsletter. I'm gonna probably design more stuff, and then I'm gonna make some dinner. Tonight we're having spaghetti squash, like pasta, and like cauliflower bolognese. It'll be interesting. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I may share more later, but if not, this will probably be the end of it, and I would say bye. I'll say bye now, I guess. I hope you guys like this kind of vlog. I feel like I'm kind of scatterbrained and a little bit like foggy today. I don't know. I think it's just because it's Monday. My arm's tired, and I'm just kind of like all over the place. But I hope you guys thought it was interesting. I thought maybe I had a couple things that I haven't shown you guys before, and yeah. So tomorrow I'm getting my hair cut, so I'm so excited for that. This long, crazy, ratty hair is going away. I'm gonna ask her to cut to my shoulders. I don't know, I've had my hair to my shoulders a couple times, probably like 2 or 3 times I've gotten cut to my shoulders. So I'm excited to go back. I had it cut to my shoulders like 3 years ago when I first moved down here and started my shop. I think it was right after I started my shop. Like maybe a couple months after I started my shop, I cut it short. So I haven't cut it really since. I mean, I've done like trims and stuff since, but I haven't like done anything dramatic to it or drastic. So I'm gonna cut it short tomorrow. I'm really excited. It's been long for a long time, and it's so long now that it's to the point where like it's just a pain to deal with. I hate dealing with it. I hate washing it because it's so long. It takes forever to dry, literally like 8-9 hours, and it's just, I have really thick hair. It's just a pain. So I'm really excited to be getting it cut tomorrow. But anyways, I hope you guys like this vlog. I may show more tonight, but probably not because I kind of want to enjoy tonight and have a little bit of time off. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below of any other like video ideas you guys have or think I might be interested in doing. I want to do some like favorites videos and stuff of just like life favorites because I have a lot of those. And I think that'd be a lot of fun. So yeah, so that is everything. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a great start to the week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.